I get asked if Carlson offers a photogrammetry solution for survey, engineering, and construction applications. Carlson offers PhotoCapture Web, which is an online service that allows users to leverage cloud computing. We also offer PhotoCapture Standalone for those that prefer processing internally on dedicated computers. Some of the outputs include a dense point cloud, a digital elevation model, an ortho image, and a full project quality report. The resulting photogrammetry products will allow you to create maps, topos, and calculate volumes, among other things. Let's take a look at Carlson's powerful and simple workflows that make photogrammetry easy. Once you establish your ground control and have flown the site, load the images to Carlson PhotoCapture for processing. You will also be able to add your ground control information in multiple formats. Once images and ground control have been added, you're ready to start processing. After the initial bundle adjustment is completed, you will be prompted to tag the aerial targets to correct calculated positions and increase accuracy. Once the processing is done, you can access the resulting dense point cloud, DEM, and ortho image. Also available is the project report, which will give you a detailed understanding of the quality of the data and results. Use the sparse point cloud viewer to review the residual errors in the ground control, another check for accuracy, and display the drone positions and camera angles to ensure that you have the most accurate model. You can also use the dense point cloud viewer to display the resulting point cloud and take length, height, and area measurements. Also in PhotoCapture, you can use the survey canvas to query the model and place points and lines in case you need to extract some quick information. To further enhance your workflow, load the ortho image and point cloud into Carlson's Office software. Then, take advantage of the filters, point, and line creation tools for feature extraction. Create a point cloud of the work area and apply filters to decimate the point cloud and reduce noise. Apply the barrier filter to remove buildings, trees, and cars. Use field to finish and survey by grid to quickly create topo points and feature lines. Or use the advanced polyline extraction tools to automatically extract sidewalk edges, curb and gutter lines, parking stripes, and road stripes. Smoothly transfer all your break lines and points into CAD to complete your survey and topo maps. Or isolate your areas of interest for volume calculations and reports.